Introducing the compact multi-flavour machine from Snowshock, the perfect countertop machine with no plumbing required. This solution allows outlets to offer multiple flavours even with very limited space. The 6-litre tank holds 20 medium 300ml cups of base slush. Pump bottles are used to add the flavour to the cup, giving multiple flavours from just one space-saving machine, ideal for high turnover outlets. Our stylish design means that the product looks super appetizing for our customers from all angles. When first purchasing a slush machine with us, we'll give you enough bottles of our top-selling slush syrups to recoup your outlay, along with cups, straws, and Snowshock point-of-sale material. Simply add your syrup and water mix to each tank. Wait a short time and you're ready to start selling fabulous Snowshock slush. Plus, you get free delivery and 12 months comprehensive on-site warranty with Snowshock, as well as the friendly and expert backup that we are famous for. Snowshock slush machines are a seriously great investment for your outlet. Here's some numbers. An outstanding 80% is the typical profit margin of Snowshock slush. Top outlets can achieve a quick return on investment in a matter of weeks, and just 1 to 2 cups per day covers the energy cost of our most popular machines, even at today's prices. View our full range and order now at www.snowshock.com.